Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys having a fabulous week and ready for a fabulous weekend. Today, this is the freebie. It's a collage of different elements on a background. So you can use this page in its entirety or can fussy cut the different elements. So we got a very nice blue turquoise vintage clock and a really nice vintage clutch bag with lots of flowers. A traditional, if you want to call it, shabby chic background, some lace, and a lovely vintage piano on the bottom. This page here has been designed from my April VIP Lounge papers. The VIP Lounge is a subscription that I offer on my website where you guys can free to join anytime with the price of a coffee, if that. You get one paper pack, sometimes two, sometimes three. You get a month, send it to your email address. These paper packs are designed specifically for the VIP Lounge members, so they are not available on my website. You get 30% discount code, you get a gift box. We are doing an alphabet series, so we are on letter L so far. And when we finish the alphabet, we will do the numbers as well. And you get 30% discount to use across everything on my website. Digital papers, my ebook, my workshops, etc. So this is the freebie. Let me show you my VIP Lounge papers for the month of April. So guys, these are the papers pack for the month of April. The paper pack is called Shabby Notes because it's a collage of traditional piano and music elements with lots of shabby flowers and lace, etc. Now, this pack is huge. It's got 14 pages and it has everything you need to create your project. There are background, there are gift boxes, there is tags, there is ephemera, there is all sorts. Let me crack on and show you page by page. So first page, we got two pillow boxes in two different sizes. That again, if you print this on cardstock, they will be super thick and steady. Then, in fact, let me just put it here. Then we have a background. First of the background, we have a large piano with some lace and some flowers. This is probably my favorite page of the kit. We've got some tags that, again, you can fussy cut them one by one, or you can use these as an entirety. You've got a little piano, they got some flowers, love. And I love the palette. The color palette is pretty much the same for each pages because every kit that I designed for the VIP Lounge members is being designed to mix and match. So everything goes well together. The color palette for this paper pack is turquoise, baby pink, and of course the black and white with the piano music. Okay. The next page is a bundle of pockets. So if you do journals, so you've got two square pockets and two there on the bottom, and you've got a tag to fit in it and a couple of tabs. They are fabulous. If you make hidden paper clips, that will look cool. Another background with a piano and some shabby elements. A page full of tags. So we got four medium tags and two slightly large ones on the bottom. A page with some embellishment. So we got 6 butterflies that you can fussy cut and layer them. An oval that you can use as a tack. Couple of tags and another embellishment on the bottom. This is another favorite of mine. Is a page full of stamps. Okay, so it's on different sizes. This is a page of 4 different backgrounds that I put them together. These will make some fabulous cards. You can make vintage cards, or I can see already like stitching around it with some black thread, or like a birthday cards if you just simply put a happy birthday sentiment. Then we have 2 traditional envelopes and a scallop envelope. We've got a page with 3 large tags. They are huge. Another page with some embellishments. So we got some scallop pockets and some embellishments here that you can make like large buttons as well. you got a cube, like a gift set, a gift box in a cube. So you got all the tabs that you're folding in together, and this will be the leads that you tapped in. And last but not least is a background. So again, full of shabby flowers, lace, and the piano. So that is a kit of 14 pages. Okay. Also this month you get a bonus page, which is a collection of 9 doilies, paper doilies, which I have layered with some shabby elements. So we got some tea mags, some perfumes, a coffee coffee maker, some vintage pink laptop. I thought I wanted something to give you something that you can use with this paper pack, but also is individual, just to make some embellishment. Okay, so this is just a bonus page. And last is a letter gift box. So as I said, this month we are on letter L. We've done all the letters. Let me show you all the letters before I show you what the letter L looks like. But you get a template. Okay, so that's the front, that's the sides, and that's the back. Because I had quite a lot of space, I designed an additional pillow box. Again, that you can print it on cardstock and you get an extra bonus little pillow box. So let me show you what we've done so far. So we've done all the letters, and then we have some more in here. Oopsie, I dropped the F. D, E, F, G, H, I, and then we've got J, and we've done the K. Okay, and let me show you what the letter L looks like for this month. Okay, this is letter L that we made with the template from today, and this is the pillow box, what it looks like when it's done up. Okay, that was on the same page, so you get a bonus gift box. In case you guys wish to join, let me show you on my website where to find the VIP lounge. Okay guys, so this is my website. So when you look at antoniomex.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP lounge, there you go, you got my membership plan. So you have a gold butterfly, which you pay £5 a month, and then you have a yearly one. So you got the VIP lounge yearly membership. Okay, so if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website, 3 mini, at least 4 pages each, a monthly offer or a gift, A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the gold butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay guys, I hope it's all clear. Let me tell you how to download this freebie and all the freebies that are coming up in the next couple of weeks. As usual guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very, very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. I'm going to go big thumbs up if you like this video, because it really supports my journey here on YouTube. Every time you guys interact with my videos, and even a comment or thumbs up, YouTube get a little message to say that you guys love what I make, and it really support my journey here. Big thumbs up again. It's free, but it means the world to me. Guys, I'm going to go. Have a wonderful, wonderful week, and whatever the plans are. And until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.